You are not your thoughts. The ultimate mind hack for inner peace. Most people think peace comes from fixing their problems, changing their circumstances, or controlling their emotions. But real peace doesn't come from doing anything. It comes from realizing one simple truth. You are not your thoughts. Right now, you probably believe every thought that passes through your mind. If your mind says, "I'm not good enough," you feel it. If your mind says, "I'm overwhelmed," you believe it. But here's the truth. Thoughts are just noise. They are not reality. Your thoughts are like clouds passing through the sky. Some are light and peaceful. Some are dark and stormy. But none of them are the sky itself. You are the sky. And the moment you recognize this, really recognize it, something amazing happens. You stop getting caught in the storm. Thoughts may come, but they don't pull you in. Emotions may rise, but they don't control you. You experience true, effortless peace. Here's how to apply this instantly. Step 1. Notice the thought. When your mind throws something at you, stress, doubt, fear, just notice it. Label it. Oh, that's a thought. Step 2. Create distance. Instead of saying, "I'm anxious," say, "I'm noticing anxious thoughts." Instead of "I'm failing," say, I'm having a thought about failing." This tiny shift changes everything. Step 3. Let it pass. Don't fight the thought. Don't engage with it. Just let it float by like a leaf on a river. The less attention you give it, the weaker it becomes. Try this today, even for 5 minutes, and you'll start to see the truth. You've never been your thoughts. You've always been the awareness watching them. This is how you master inner peace, not by controlling the mind, but by realizing you are not the mind. So, what's one thought you're choosing to let go of today? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. For advanced training and deeper mind hacks that actually work, check out ascendcorps.com. And remember, you are the creator creating the created. So create something incredible.